Welcome to GenieLab. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create pattern in Photoshop using natural objects. Firstly, click on File. Click on Open. Browse for the image, select it and click on Open. Let's adjust the quality of the image. Click on Image from the menu bar. Click on Adjustment. Select Brightness and Contrast. Use the slider to make adjustments. When you're OK with the adjustment, click on OK. Now click on Filter from the menu bar. Click on Filter Gallery and select Sketch. Select Stamp or Photocopy and adjust the brightness and smoothness sliders. Click OK. When you're done, select the Crop tool from the toolbox and crop the image. Press Shift to make the selection in square. Press Enter to crop the selection. Again, click on Filter. Select Other. Click on Offset, adjust the sliders and click OK. Select the Brush tool from the toolbox. Change the hardness of the to 100%. Correct any line with the Brush tool. When you're done, click on Edit on the menu bar. Select Define Pattern, rename it and click on OK.